What's up, guys? It is Paul from Blade HQ, and today we are taking a look at the Boker Kalashnikov. Now, I know many of you may be thinking, we've already seen a review of this knife, but not this one. This is custom made for Blade HQ, the Boker Kalashnikov with a Damascus steel blade. Pretty cool stuff. It looks very, very cool. As you can see, the Damascus pattern is kind of centered there with the blade grind. Very sleek stuff. That's 192 layer Damascus put on this thing. All the other specs of the Kalashnikov are the same. Total length of 7.6 inches, blade length of 3.375. As you see, it has that spear point style blade. Flat grind on the blade as well, and then a handle length of 4.25. Also, obviously, it has the automatic deployment to the knife. Same things, same specs that you know and love from the Boker Kalashnikov, just a custom Blade HQ edition with Damascus blade. And that's the place to buy it, is bladehq.com. Just like all things awesome, the only place you will ever see this blade is Blade HQ. So get over to Blade HQ right now and get one today. These will go quick. Also, I've been hearing a little rumors around the office that eventually there will be different handles. Right now it is the all black version, which I personally think is the best. All black handle with that Damascus blade. But there are rumors that there will be the Damascus blade with all the other colors that we offer as well. Not sure when you'll see those, but that is a possibility in the future. As for now, just the black version, and it looks awesome. It is stellar. So get over to bladehq.com and get yours today. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.